How to get started with CodeMeter Ready. What you need. You will need a firm security box, the FSB, with your unique firm code. Install CodeMeter SDK and runtime. This is provided by WIBU-SYSTEMS. Install the vendor-specific library, which is provided by Swissbit. It can be downloaded for free on the Swissbit DP card websites. Use CodeMeter Ready device plug and play just you would do with a dongle or a CMX license. Protect your software with CodeMeter Protection Suite and assign a firm code, the standard CodeMeter procedure. Distribute the software including the card vendor specific library. The distribution of the third-party library is explicitly allowed. The usage from the customer's point of view. Install the protected software package. Usually this comes with a CodeMeter installer or integrated CodeMeter embedded. Get the license from the portal if not already installed on the delivered CodeMeter Ready card. If you have a pre-programmed CodeMeter Ready card including the license, just plug the CodeMeter Ready card into your device and run your software. If all is already bundled, just run the device.